Yeah, hello everybody, this is Dave here. We're in Stoke Park now. We have absolutely no light. Steve's been, yeah, there's Steve, acting like a complete buffoon.
Can you see him on?
Complete bastard.
Yes, no swearing, Dave.
This is an X-rated movie of fireworks, everybody.
You!
Come on, get it, Steve. Not literally, of course. Right, at the moment we're just filming some extreme nice young girls, probably about 14, all flashing their fannies. Yeah, we can't see a bloody thing. On that note, I'm going to stop there and I'll probably see you later on. Ta-da!
Hey, that's it.
Hello, I'm the man.
I'm going to try and zoom into you, but it's not going to work. I can hear them counting down. They're recording anyway, so I don't know what's going on. Get a move on.
Kill with it, come on.
That bonfire doesn't seem to zoom in very well.
Why are we waiting?
Because we're suffocating. Because they're bloody freezing more like. I can't see it on this.
No, mate, it's gonna get it! See, why did we... don't you think we've got a good view from here?
They're playing music here. This is quite good, actually.
See, I told you. My cunning plan worked.
Did it?
Why didn't you just walk around this side then?
Oh! That was like, oh! It's out of focus.
And so we had some fantastic fireworks here. Look at this action! My God, ladies and gentlemen, we're in for an accelerating night here!
I'm making a bloody shiver, you idiot!
Win the war again!
Was that it? And stop! Oh, I missed that!
Oh, the rocket! I shouldn't have, bastard!
Take that, big bastard!
I am second in command. I'm a bin on.
Watch it don't fall on top of your head afterwards. Bonk! Whoa, that had to go on! And then they go on the ground again.
How bloody crap is that?
They're puffy ones. Can you hear them go puffy?
I want to hear the big loud ones. I used to be scared of
We're getting this tree in quite good.
The tree's catching fire! Oh no!
Well, it's been going for 3 minutes so far. The camera shows how much going on for.
How long's your video on there
The video's in 80 minutes. It's already gone about half an hour from my back garden.
Alright, well done then.
When I was doing it from the back garden.
Can I conclude it with a little bit outside London Road Station?
Yeah, later on, yeah.
And I'd like to say, tonight has been very good. Steve thoughts have reported from Stoke Park. Warmer snooze.
Whoa! That's going to be a big one.
We've got the head yard to the what's this?
Right, is it worth us getting out from under the tree then? just to like get this in.
The tree was in it a bit then, yeah, I know. They're weird sound ones, aren't they? They're like letting dogs off from the fireworks.
Let me just say this, ladies and gentlemen, if this commentary is going on, this is an eminent description of what Clean Guildford sounds like. A, when you Stoke, B, on Boxing Day, when he's just sorting out all the swampies, and C, when he's actually on Weatherspoons on Bridge Street in Guildford. Thank you very much.
Who said that?
That was me.
Oh. You're working.
Sorry for the legal record here, that was Fleet Thought. Now for the legal record, that was Dave. David Stage. David Stage will do that.
What sort of music are they playing with it?
I don't know, but everyone listens to those fucking like shit.
Sounds like Chris bloody ice cream music, doesn't it?
Whatever it is, it's quite a crap.
Rockets again.
Dun, 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 dun. Woo! It's George Bush and Paul Volkovitz going up in flames. And George Bush's foreign secretary, otherwise known as that fucking buffoon Mr. Blair.
He must have cost a bomb, this lot.
Or must have an Iraqi one.
That's bloody hell, I only charged it last night. A bit of battery's gone.
Oh, you Saddam Hussein in disguise!
That did not get in focus, that one.
Whoa! Let's just go over top.
Whoa! They're going right over us, you know. They're good, I like those. Oh, you two watch your backs, okay?
I'm watching them.
Can you call them back, call them forward?
I'm watching them. They're going, the guys now gone across the hill with our bags. I'm still watching them. Oh no, they've gone outside there.
With my £54 shoe and a £17 quality Italian silk top.
Yeah, just say it a bit louder. I saw those pikers over here doing it.
I said!
They're bright. That's that lighting the whole field up, look at that, look. Lighting the whole field up, isn't it? Look at it. That is well cool.
Isn't it? Can I put this video up for you at some point?
Yeah, I can put one on copy for you. Give me a video, I'll do one home or something. Do you want a copy of the video, Steve?
No thanks.
No?
You got enough to
I didn't go off properly, that one.
We'll buy a video.
There's lights showing the whole field lighting up.
It was a complete accident. He said,
Davey! Boy, Dave. Davey, put your ear on right, Dave.
and he's in the Navy, Dave.
I'll have to send you a
It's hurting my hand, this is.
Alright, Steve. I only took 2 people by accident.
And it all goes dark again.
How long have you remembered that Guildford are not doing
Dave, you'll be immortal.
No, but how long have you remembered that Guildford by everybody?
That was a good one, that one was good, yeah.
Where's the one that lights up the sky? It's not like daylight. It's called the eclipse.
They're so well called, these ones, eh?
perfect night for that.
It's been going on for 10 minutes now. 20 minutes.
Are you going drinking?
I'm going to go straight home and bloody freezing my arse off.
Here it is! That's a
So you just want to get that airplane look, see the airplane look coming across.
It's going straight into it!
I've got the airplane on the film at the same time, that's not cool.
It was like, it's got it! What a fake aircraft simulation that is!
David, you're only good at holding, keeping your hands still.
Yeah.
Can you do that? They are good, they are. Where they going? Before you sat there, before you trying or something. You getting it? Are you doing it? You're quite good at that.
Yeah, I'm trying to make it a good shot here.
My hands are shivering, so making it shake badly.
That's what I'm watching. Aye. Trying to get all round it.
Can you zoom but don't press anything?
No. I must have got to get a camcorder one later. I will.
You need to make something stupid for you being framed, don't you? Look at the sky, look at the sky. Ready, here goes another one. What's music?
I don't.
In the air, in the air.
That's killing my arm.
Yes, I said it kills your arm after a while. That's why you can only buy 2 pounds. Oh, go away, please. Nice little purple ones. Oh, what the hell are they?
They were very.
There's hugging pieces behind us. They were.
Let's film it.
No, we can't see it anyway.
No, let's do it. See you.
Are you a bird? Oh, yes, you
Take over again. To take over again.
No, I'm fine.
Well, you weren't, right? Yeah, okay.
Now, you don't want to see what those two are doing over there on the floor, though.
That was quite a good bit. Then it slows down again. See, I'm assuming it's making the camera go all over the place. Is that it? Is it finished?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you look at that, look! You're 2. 16 minutes so far. Oh, I'm shaking the camera so badly doing this. Sorry everybody, I lost half of that.
Yeah, we're sorry, it's a technical fault.
Yeah.
That's the Steve Dalton, the bastard here.
No, it got one or two day. It got no.
Yeah, well, this is the drunk Steve Dalton here, so, you know.
That's striking everything.
Yeah, well, Steve can say what he likes, but he's a complete bastard anyway.
I think Dave's track record speaks for itself.
That's Steve there in the knackers. But, anyway, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the spectacle we have for the morning here. It's Stoke Park this evening. On this.
Just about saw that.
On this, the 308th anniversary of the day when Guy Fawkes blew up Parliament in November 1605.
He didn't mark up.
Now all these buttons are going to get rid of your voice on the camera.
Well, what accent we had for you here at Stoke Park, even though the ancestors researchers complained about the even though we have fake backing on the CD there.
I'm ruining the sound of my camera by now. Bloody hell. They're getting louder and louder. Oh, this is going to be good, this is going to be good, this is going to be good. Bloody hell, put the boom on that then. That was a good bit, that was. That's it, I think. 18 minutes, look, 18 minutes, you two. Hello, you two.
Right, hello, Steve.
I don't know.
I can't pick you up,
I've seen better, but not by much.
Have you your eyes? Yeah, it's recorded.
Just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Even though that I'm on it and probably destroying the whole earth at the same time.
Robert's family tradition and really embarrassing Martin.
What? Hello.
I'm sorry for any swearing that was partaken by me, and especially this man here.
Well, let's go back and focus right into you, go on.
And any swearing was done on my behalf was in response to this man, and nothing to do with anything I said.
And everything I did was vice versa to him.
And by the way, it was Dave who dropped the battery out of the camera and you lost 5 minutes of footage.
Because
Well, 5 minutes is about 30 seconds.
On the high amounts of cannabis I was taking. And and everything else. So, oh yes.
Come on.
This man, he's wanted by Surrey Police. So if anybody sees him, please take him to Mount Brown immediately. So, just have to say, good night from us. It's good night from me.
There's a train coming.
It's good night from him.
It's good night from him, and it's good night from Steve Thornton. Good night.
Buddy, here comes the train. I'm going to cut through him right into the...
Coming from this way.
Here it comes. I'm going to film it.
Look at this.
There's no one on it though. It's
Look at this.
It's completely empty.
It's a South West train on time.
Hello. Please remember my daddy.
Come on. Right.